Today we're diving into the United States ISM Manufacturing PMI data and what it means for the stock market. First, what is ISM Manufacturing PMI? It's a key economic indicator that measures the health of the manufacturing sector. A reading above 50 indicates expansion, while below 50 signals contraction. Analysts are expecting today's data to show moderate growth. If the numbers come in stronger than expected, it could signal a robust manufacturing sector, boosting market confidence. So how does this affect the stock market? A positive PMI can lift stocks, especially in industrial and manufacturing sectors. It suggests economic strength and higher demand. On the flip side, a weaker than expected PMI could raise concerns about economic slowdown. This might lead to a sell-off, particularly in manufacturing and related industries. To sum up, today's ISM Manufacturing PMI is crucial. Strong data could boost market sentiment, while weak data might cause concerns. Keep an eye on those numbers.